So welcome back to another video, dude. Today I'm a little bit sick, I'm gonna be honest. Next weekend, literally 6 days from now, the last video you guys saw me upload was the 060. Dude, that was the first day I got sick. It's been a week, bro, and I'm freaking still like so sick. But pretty much record a little chill, little POV. It's pretty cloudy, dude. It's getting cold now, dude. It's actually getting pretty cold, so that's probably why I got sick. But pretty much, dude, this is just the beginning. I'm going to Germany next weekend, so I have to pump a bunch of videos out this week. I'm gonna try to get some content so I can like edit it for the week and stuff, but dude, I don't know, man. It's gonna be rough. Like editing a bunch of videos in 1 week, dude, is just like you overthinking all this stuff. So we're gonna see. I'm just gonna pump a bunch of videos out this week, and yeah, dude, Germany's gonna be lit. If you guys want to see me upload some videos on the Autobahn, I'm gonna get some kind of like some like random BMW. Dude, last time I was in Germany, I was on the Autobahn going like 160 like miles per hour. Dude, it was so lit. So I'm probably will upload one video just while I'm in Germany, because why not? You know, I mean, going 160 on the Autobahn, that's worth uploading, even though it's not a super nice car. It's still something. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe right now, and let's get it. Dude, dude, the weather, dude, I don't know why this lighting is so, dude, you can hear my sickness. It is so bad right now. My bad if you guys hear me sniffing a lot. I'm trying this new mount I got. This is definitely more like a POV. I'm only gonna record for like 3 minutes like this. I'm gonna go into this bridge over here. I'm only gonna record for a little bit just to get the feel of this angle, see how, if you guys like it or not. Let's go into this freaking bridge over here. Bro. I feel like when the camera's on your head though, it's a little bit more satisfying. My bad if you guys see me slipping, bro. I just been sick for 1 week, bro. It's the only reason why I haven't been recording, dude. That's next level. But dude, honestly, what I'm more in shock about is like, bro, the cheapest gas is $6.10 now. What? That is crazy, bro. I need to keep my chest up for this angle to make it work better. Pretty much, I put these carbon fiber things on my buttons, and I had to obviously unplug the battery because I took off the the airbag. No cops, no cops. But pretty much, I had to unplug the battery, and my freaking menu's all jacked up. It usually comes back like in like an hour or two. So my downshifts might be kind of whack. So I probably just won't be downshifting that much this video. My bad. I'm gonna go back on my head mount right now. Once I exit this freaking. Oh, dude. Dang, dude, I hate being sick, bro. Being sick's so whack. Okay, fudge, dude. I gotta put my head on mount freaking fast. Okay, I'm gonna hold on to my phone. Okay. We're going on this freaking bridge, so it's about to be freaking crazy. No cars, no cars, no cops. No cops, are we good? We good? Sheesh. Oh my gosh. That is so satisfying. I love bridges so much, dude. When this car, any car Catless sounds freaking amazing, honestly. I love how the whine is still here even though I'm Catless. My bad if the other angle kind of sucked. I was just kind of like testing it out. I never used it before. I thought it'd be like so mint, but it was whatever, bro. That sucks. Holy crap, look at the freaking view. Oh my gosh. That sunset is amazing. But pretty much, boys, yeah, dude, I'm pretty sad, dude. I was looking at this one M5 and I was actually gonna shoot the shot. I was actually gonna full send it. And even my dad was like, usually my dad hates when I buy cars because obviously like cars is not the best investment. But for this car, he was down for it. I don't know why. I kind of explained to him like why I'm going for it and why I like it and stuff. Come on, pop, pop, pop. Fudge, doesn't want to pop. I'm pretty sad about the M5, but it's all good. It is what it is. I'm kind of hyped for Germany, but I'm also kind of sad. I'm also kind of sad because I can't like record. I'm gonna be like, I can't really rent a car out because I'm too young. So it's like, I would have rented an M5 if I was there, bro. I would have just sent it. I would have rented an M5 for the whole month, but I literally legally can't, and that's what makes it suck, dude. So I'm kind of, that's the only thing I'm really bummed about, is like I can't do anything, like, so I have to just rent whatever. I'll probably just make one video just going like 160 on the Autobahn or something like that. But I'm hyped for Germany, but I'm just sad I can't record for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy these vids. I'm gonna be recording these next couple of vids. I'm gonna try and pump them out this week. I usually don't like doing that because I like, you know, every week there's something new to talk about. It's just so nice. But being sick, dude, I'm gonna be honest. Oh, I've been working literally like for this week like 14 hours. I had online training. Before I go to Germany, they make us do training in the morning from 5 a.m. to like 11 a.m. dude. Oh my gosh, it was honestly beating me. And then I'll go to a customer, dude, I wouldn't come home till like 7 p.m. It was freaking insane. But I'm also cool with it because the reason why I was working so much is because I have, dude, there's so many plans I got. There's so many things that are, dude, so many things are gonna change, boys. You're gonna freaking see, dude. So I'm just trying to invest, dude. I'm trying to make more money so I can invest more. You know, everything I'm doing right now is all for fun, but the long term is I gotta invest more. You know, I gotta invest into my future. This car is just for like, you know, I can afford it decently and I can still invest. That's kind of why I went for it. But other than that, dude, I would not recommend this car. This car will eat your money fast. But man, I'm surprised this car still whines, honestly. Like I had one of my friends got he went Catless in his Redeye, and he says that he couldn't hear like his whine at all. It's not, obviously the whine's not as crazy, but still, bro, like, watch this. Like that whine is loud, bro. To be Catless, that whine is loud. I'm gonna be honest, bro. This guy's rolling up next to me like, bro, I got a head mount. Like, you guys know me with head mounts, bro. Every time I wear a head mount, I'm like so insecure for some reason. I'm so freaking sad, bro. This menu's tripping. The downshifts are so whack. Oh my gosh. What the fudge? I thought I just heard because I have a thing where it says KA. Oh my gosh, this freaking street. There's no cops, right? Yeah, there's no cops here. Dude, there's like never cops here for some reason. Sheesh, bro. Oh my gosh, that doesn't get old. It doesn't get freaking old. Oh. Those downshifts suck. My bad, boys. Next video is gonna be lit. This is just like a little gloomy weather POV. I might even film like a nighttime POV. That's how many videos I'm trying to pump out this week, bro. I'm trying to just go as many videos as I can. But I'm definitely hyped for Germany, boys. I'm gonna be honest, like the company I work for, I got really blessed, man. You know, obviously, you know, you have to show you're worthy because you're on probation for like 3 months. So if they really wanted to, bro, they could have fired me like easily. But oh my gosh. Holy crap. Pretty much, dude, you could be you're on probation. They can kick you out anytime. Definitely do like what homie gets so blessed with opportunity. All of it comes down to experience, man. So boys, just keep working hard. You know, there's so much opportunity in this world. Like the job I have is cool. They provide a lot of training, but dude, there's jobs that do the same thing that I do, and they pay twice as more, and they do more training. It's like all the above, bro. So just keep working hard. There's so much opportunity, guys. Like what I have is just one of many, and a lot of you guys just keep seeking. I'm sure you guys can even find better than what I have, but everything comes with experience. So when you find a good job, even if it's not your liking, if it brings experience, it's better than anything else, you know? Like working at the grocery store is cool because you make money, but you don't gain experience. But if you work somewhere that's like, you know, they don't pay as much and whatever, but they're willing to train you and stuff, that's the real, dude, that's where the money's at, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, this car is too loud, bro. Dude, I got some videos of myself like driving from the outside, and bro, you do not need to gas it for this thing to be loud. You do not need to gas at all. This is my favorite freaking street, bro. I don't care about no other street, literally. It's the only street I care to be on. Actually, I'm gonna turn. Trying to pop. Dude, these valves for real killed it. When I had the Catback, it used to pop so loud. I'm low-key even thinking about putting the stock exhaust back on. I want to put the stock exhaust back on just so I can hear the pops again. Like, if you compare the Catback to the stock exhaust with the mid muffler, it sounds basically the same thing, except it pops just like barely louder, bro. Barely pops any louder. But now, dude, the pops are dead, but it's, you know, Catless, so it's huge. There's, you know, I don't know. It just depends how you look at it. I might put the old exhaust back on once I come back from Germany, just so I can like hear the big difference. Because I know sometimes, dude, like even if there's no mid muffler, if you just do Catless, sometimes that's more than enough. Sometimes you don't even need to go with the Catback and blah, 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 whatever. You just freaking go downpipe and do your set. That's what I should have done in the first place, but dude, I don't know, man. I full sent it, put some Catback exhaust on. I'm gonna try and pop it. Dang, it's not popping at all right now. It must be because like I'm not in sports mode, dude, or something. Like, why is it tripping right now? Nah, I honestly, dude, when I go in sport mode, what I realized that even if you're in eco mode, it pops the same. Like, honestly, they're almost the exact same, if not more, in eco mode. It's weird. Dang, this doesn't want to pop at all right now, dude. What the fudge? Whatever. Definitely need to go back in the mid muffler for real. I need to go back with that stock exhaust. I'm really looking out for cops right now, dude, because it's way too freaking loud. Gosh, I'm dipping out, dude. I'm getting off this freaking street. This car is too freaking loud. It was my right of way. Oh my gosh, dude, the whine and dude, I can't stop talking about it, honestly, dude. Maybe it's because I don't drive this car that often. I don't daily it. Pop. Dude, I need to chill. Alright boys, if you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.